What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Wife and I decided that we would be selling this ONYX City bike. And don't get me wrong, we love this model. We love how the weight distribution is. It does really well for our other side hustle, our side business. But ultimately, with the addition of the ONYX RCR with the 41 amp that we have, and the stealthbomber E-Bike, which is just so much fun, kind of blows this bike out of the water in my opinion. With those two addition of electric motorbikes, we don't need a third one between my wife. So we're going to be kept talking and talking about it. She likes this model, but she can have the RCR. I'm really happy and content with the stealthbomber performance. As I mentioned before in my previous videos, I immediately knew that that bike was definitely for me, the stealthbomber, and I would rather be using that bike more than this bike. So yeah, we're going to be selling the bike that we're not going to be using much, which is this bike. And we've only accumulated 230 miles on it, so I think it's still really mint condition. The only thing I've done really was add a fender, added bigger signal lights in the rear for more visibility at night. But you're probably going to be seeing it on Facebook Marketplace. That's where I sell my used bikes. I don't have the turning ratio as much as I do in a stealthbomber, but very zippy. The one con about it is it's only 20-mile range on sport mode for my testings and observations. We didn't buy the bike thinking it was going to be actual advertised miles from what they say on the website. We knew that going in with a tiny battery only at 60 volt. And over the 8 months owning it, it's performed really well in our expectation. It performed actually better than my expectations, reaching at around 54 miles per hour top speed. I didn't know it was going to be that fast. Pretty zippy bike, and I do recommend it if you don't mind the range, if you don't need that much of a range. This is a bike I recommend if a 20-mile range in sport mode is all you need, back and forth. Really like the white wheels. That's what makes it unique in my opinion. And obviously where the battery is located, it's on the down tube. Pretty good for the weight distribution versus the RCR. It's a shorty version, so we like that aspect. The only mod that I've really done to this bike, just swap out for bigger, more visibility lights. It's really nice at night. Somewhat sad to let this go, but we hope that it gets more use, because 230 miles over the course of 8 months is not really being used in our collection. But that's going to be today's quick vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your support. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your e-bikes. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.